Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix blurry story on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step that we'll do is to go over and open the Facebook mobile application on your device. Now tap on the little menu button in the bottom right corner, and then you'll get to the screen. From here, we'll click on the settings icon, which is in the top right corner. Once you open the Facebook settings, you want to scroll a little bit down until you can see this media button. Tap on that button, and we'll get to the section where we can adjust a bunch of different settings. Under the video quality, you can see two different options. We have the data saver option and optimized. If this was set to data saver, then that is why Facebook was uploading bad quality or blurry stories. This option is designed to save your data when you use the app, but it can drastically reduce the photo, video, and story quality when you upload something. So set this to optimized, and then the app will use more data and upload higher quality stories to Facebook. But if this is set to optimized and you still have bad quality stories, then maybe the problem is with your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. So I suggest you find a more stable and faster internet connection and restart your Facebook application. Once you tweak these two settings, you should be able to upload high quality and HD stories on Facebook without a problem. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.